Welcome back to Knowledge Buddies. In this video, we are going to briefly discuss about agriculture. So let's get started. So what is agriculture? The science and art of cultivation of crops on land and rearing livestock is called as agriculture. So agriculture is mainly divided into two parts, which includes subsistence farming and industrialized farming, which is also called as commercial farming. So what is subsistence farming? Subsistence farming means that the cultivator grows crops for the main purpose of feeding himself and his family. But whereas in industrialized farming, the cultivator grows crops in a very large scale using high-tech machineries for mainly trading purposes. So now let's discuss briefly about the agricultural practices. The first step includes preparation of soil, which is plowing and leveling of the soil. The second step is sowing. The third step is adding manure and fertilizers to the soil. The fourth step is irrigation. The fifth step is weeding. The sixth step is protection of crops from pests, insects and weeds, etc. The seventh step is harvesting. The eighth step includes threshing and winnowing.
There are many farming methods. They are organic farming, vertical farming, multi-crop farming, greenhouse farming, etc. The types of soil and the best suited plants: sandy, water can drain easily, well aerated; silt, highly fertile soil, rich in organic compounds; clay, retains maximum water, less aerated; loam, known as farmer's best friend, suitable for a majority of plants; chalky, alkaline soil and has calcium carbonate; peat, high in organic matter. So these are the types of soil and the best suited plants. Soil profile. It is a vertical cross section of the soil. It consists of 4 layers: humus, organic matter; topsoil, A horizon; subsoil, B horizon; and the bedrock. The most common instruments used in agriculture are pruning shears, crowbar, wheelbarrow, sprinkler, sickle, the axe, and the rake. The top 10 agricultural countries based on gross domestic product. First, China. Second, India. Third, the United States. Fourth, Indonesia. Fifth, Brazil. Sixth, Nigeria. Seventh, Turkey. Eighth, Japan. And ninth, Argentina. And in the last, we have Thailand. Agriculture in India. About 26% of the Indian GDP is contributed by agriculture. About 159.6 million families depend on agriculture as per the 2014 report. India is the largest producer of milk, pulses and jute. Second largest producer of rice, wheat, sugarcane, groundnut, vegetables, fruits and cotton. India has a hot and wet climate which is suitable for most of the crops and plants. Agricultural Minister of India is Mr. Narendra Singh Tomar, and he is in charge of the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Norman Ernest Borlaug is the father of agriculture. Green Revolution. The increase in production of food grains such as rice and wheat due to the introduction of high yielding varieties to the use of pesticides and fertilizers. Green Revolution in India was started during the Prime Ministership of Srimati Indira Gandhi. It was started by C. Subramaniam, former Agriculture Minister, and M.S. Swaminathan. Bengal famine. The world's worst recorded food disaster occurred in 1943 during the British rule in India. An estimated 4 million people died in hunger that year in eastern India. After that, Sir Mankombu Sambasivan Swaminathan started the Green Revolution. The country in which 4 million people died in a year due to the lack of food is now exporting surplus food to other countries.
So now let's discuss about desert farming. The practice of developing agriculture in desert areas is called as desert farming. In desert regions, it's a common feature that water is scarce. So people use different methods to use water efficiently. Some of the methods are water reuse, desalination, drip irrigation, etc. Now let's see about the Israel's desert agriculture. The Negev desert, which covers over 60% of the land, has actually shrunk in size due to the farming methods used in Israel. They use drip irrigation, which is very water efficient.